Yes.
Happens.
Yes.
Oh, excuse me.
You're good.
Thank you.
You're
Oh, quit. Quit.
These are memories.
Well, that part's over with.
Yeah, needle's still in though, so I'll touch your face.
How's that feel?
Fantastic. My dad's gonna tell me I'm an idiot.
Oh,
I'm crying.
That's when you say, fuck you, Dad.
Yeah.
Your opinion doesn't matter.
you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. This is making me sneeze. How much is this? I forgot to ask.
That's 50.
Okay.
Hard part for me to do it. Alright, so spray the ball and then you're done.
I'm sorry.
You're good, it happens. Alright, hell yeah.
Ah, thank you.
You did it!
Woo!
Good job, Kylie.